Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons with my favourite way to make roast potatoes, and they are absolutely wonderful. So I will put the recipe below, but again, it's roast potatoes, there's not a lot going on, it's just nice quality floury potatoes. The red-skinned ones I always find are very, very good in the UK. Maris Piper, King Edwards are great. In the States, I believe russets are your go-to. But choose a good roasting potato. That's the most important thing you can do. And don't cut them up too small because we want to give them a bit of a boil up here. This is par cooking, salt, and that's the unusual ingredient, bicarb soda. It helps to create an extra fluffy coating on the outside, which then gives you an extra crunchy roast potato. So that is a really useful trick. Yeah, up to about 10 minutes of gentle simmering, because you don't want to cook them all the way through because they'll break up and you'll end up making mashed potatoes. But you want to cook it long enough for the cooking to penetrate sort of the outside layer, so that you start to get that, you saw me test it there with a serrated knife, that bit of fluffiness already. Drain them and let them stand in your colander until the sort of most of the steam has come off. So another 5 minutes or so, a few minutes at least. Then back into the pot, and this is again a crucial step, the part of the method. Give them a great big old chuff up, a roll around. You see that on the outside there? That's almost like mashed potato on the outside. So I'm using duck fat. I'm going to use a little bit of oil as well, but butter and oil, lard. Lard's great as well. So any fat that you want, don't be shy with the fat. And space them out though on your trays, because you want to get the heat all the way around them to get more crunchy surface area, because that's what it's all about. You want the outsides to be as crispy and as crunchy as possible, and the insides to be all fluffy. So that was a good 25 minutes. I've got the oven on really hot for this, and get a chance to really get that sort of that crunchiness, then flip them over, and then say another 15 minutes or so and they're done. You can always do that first cook earlier and then finish them later on. You don't got to worry about the timings, but what have we got here? Oh, look at that. So super crunchy outside, super fluffy inside. I think you'll really enjoy that one. Thank you very much for watching, and this is Rumble only, so don't forget to rumble it and comment and all that sort of stuff. See you soon. Bye.